My name is Manolis Savva, and I'm an assistant professor in the School of Computing Science here at SFU. I do research in 3D computer graphics and computer vision and their intersection with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Within computer graphics, I focus on understanding, analysis, and generation of 3D content, and specifically 3D scenes. Algorithms that can decompose the structure of 3D scenes and also to generate new 3D scenes. And this is with an eye towards enabling applications in computer vision, robotics, and artificial intelligence, as well as allowing people to more easily create 3D content. Yeah, there are a number of challenges in this research direction. The real world is very complex. There are so many different types of objects, in our homes, in our, working spaces. So understanding, what objects are present, representing them digitally, capturing their geometry, their appearance, and then efficiently, reusing that content or generating new variations of that content is fundamentally a very challenging problem from the perspective of computational systems. Some aspects of it have to do with things that were traditionally done in computer graphics, right? How do we create photorealistic visuals? But other aspects, and what is increasingly important nowadays, have to do with understanding the semantics of the real world, right? What are the objects that are around us? How do we use them, right? We as people use them on a daily basis. How do we interact with objects? That level of understanding allows us to develop algorithms that can produce content automatically, right? Or make it easier for people to more efficiently create new content that maybe they can imagine. So yeah, the challenges lie, I would say, primarily in this latter part, in this richer semantic understanding of our world. Apple has been doing some cool things, and the new product they announced, the Vision Pro, it's an interesting step. I can see how it might have quite a bit of impact for professionals, for creative professionals, people, let's say, in the film industry, or developers for, say, 3D games and virtual reality apps. I think it will allow many of these, people who engage with this kind of content on a daily basis to be a lot more productive, right? Because, you have this much richer experience that you can interact much more richly with content, and perhaps if it really makes it to a mass market product, perhaps it will also bring this kind of level of accessibility to people as well. It will be interesting to see how the next couple of years develop in terms of these new products, Apple's and also other companies, virtual reality headset equipment. The technology is moving along. I think it will be interesting to see how far it takes us.